January is National Soup Month, and I can't think of a better time to dig into a steaming bowl of soup. So that's what we're making today, and it'll go with all our game day favorites. Just wait until you see all the fun ways we can serve it. All we do is heat some milk with a little beer in a soup pot. That can be anything from light beer or a dark stout to non-alcoholic. See, I told you this would be good for game day. Once it's heated through, we add 2 jars of cheese bread. And to give this a boost of flavor, we add some condensed chicken broth, straight from a can, a touch of Worcestershire, and a shake or two of hot sauce. Now, to give this body, we stir in some cornstarch mixed with more beer and let it simmer until it thickens up. Now, as for ways to serve this, how about pouring shots so everyone can get a taste? Or, better yet, serve it in an edible bread bowl topped with bacon and scallions. I hope you'll go online so you can celebrate National Soup Month with our creamy beer cheese soup that'll make you the talk of the table. When the flavor is this good, you can't go wrong. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where every day we're looking for an easier way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."